Hi, I'm Aaron, and I am sitting in front of an abandoned house that I bought in Buenos Aires, Argentina. For 100 years, one family owned this house, and the last member of that family died during the pandemic, and I swoop in 3 or 4 years later and bought it. So let's do a walkthrough of all the crazy stuff that they left behind. We'll start here in the front room. Looks like it was used like a workshop or a storage office. Like a motor. Big anthill. Oh geez. That's gonna suck. Travel chest. Old coffee can. What's this? Can't make it out. Okay. Oh, bills. Lots of bills. Okay, now we're in room 2. Not as dank. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, creepy Santa. It's like an old fridge. Let's go into room 3. Not much in here. Old wallpaper or paint or something. Go into the bedroom. Big time termite damage on this furniture. Wow, there's her night table, just as she left it. Wow, her vanity. What's this? Oh, this is a cool floor in the bathroom. Ah, oh, cool big clawfoot tub. Going to the kitchen now from the bathroom. Bad shape. See what's in the fridge. Not much. Covered with wedding photos. No idea who these people are, but plan is to find out. Nothing. 43 maybe? 1943? Walk back out the kitchen. Let's go around back. Duck under here. Oh wow. Full of old furniture. Old furniture. Kids' toys. In a random box. Two rooms. Let's see what these 2 rooms are. Laundry. And I imagine this is the bathroom. Yep. Old pull chain bathroom. So that's the downstairs. There's 2 apartments upstairs, and I want to do another video where I tour you guys through those to see what they left behind. But the idea is for the next couple years, I'm going to be restoring this house, hopefully returning it to its former glory as best I can, and at the same time telling the story of why these types of houses were built in Argentina back 100 years ago, and as the dogs bark at me from the neighbor. I'll give him a second. There's no hurry. Anyway, hopefully I figure out some of the stories. I have a little bit of info about the people that lived here, but I want to tell their entire story. I want to find out as much as I can. So hopefully you join me. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and start with the video for the upstairs. Let's go do that now.